Hey guys, we're watching Volgar's videos. We got 3 flashlights to review right here. An ever-ready flashlight, lantern light. These came out like in the late 90s or sometime. I have no idea. I just know I got for not 50 cents, but since the guy at the thrift store couldn't pull out working batteries to test it out with, and I didn't want to buy a flashlight that was useless, even though it did have a bulb. He put batteries in there that were dead, and he said, "Oh, I think it's glowing," just to make sure. I'll sell it to you for a quarter. I'm like, sold. And this one, which is apparently a brinkman, like it was a freebie when you got your security system. This one's LED. This one's just a condensate bulb, and I'm going to buy a LED to replace it, make it last a lot longer. These are my batteries I'm going to use. I got 2 Ever-Readies, 2 Energizers, an Ever-Ready, no, a Riverback, and a Anytime to put in there. And we got this. I'll start off with this light. Okay, this is an awesome light. You got this. I don't know why it's so bright. But yeah, you got that, and then you flip it around, and you got this. Here's the bathroom. It's pretty dark. See how well it, does that. And then if you want to light something up, there you go. That was $1 at a convenience store, mini market. It is refillable, and unfortunately, because it does take batteries and it has light, 3 little button batteries, very cheap to replace, and you can push it down or just hold it down, and so you don't need to hold your thumb down. Pretty awesome, I think. But since it takes batteries, it has half the reservoir. But whatever, it's refillable, and as long as you keep an eye on it, it's easy to see how they got. Take it outside. And as you can see, it's pretty well pitch dark. That's how much light this light is going to put off. Not much. Turns up all the way. There you go. Is how much light you got now. Decent amount. It's going to keep you warm if you're cold. Stranded. Turn on the light. And look how much light that puts out. Well, honestly, with my camera, you're not going to see too much light, but there's a window right there. But it's gonna find your keyhole. It's gonna you're gonna find the ground with it. Pretty good, especially for $1. And yeah, there you go. Next, let's pop the batteries in the Brinkman. I got this flashlight for $5 at a Goodwill. And these batteries are freshly charged with a 10-minute charger. Put it in like so, and there you go. Trigger action like a spotlight. Okay, pitch dark. Well, has light from the door, but other than that, you can see it's pretty freaking dark out here. And there you go. You can get to the wash machine sitting out there. There's that building. Back side of my house. You can see the satellite dish, and yeah, it's got pretty good distance. You can almost see, no, I can see, but you can't see the tree up there. Antenna? Yep, you can see the old school UHF, VHF antenna. So, if you're looking at it, it's freaking bright. It's pretty good for up close, but going distances, it's not too good unless it's really, really dark. And it ain't too shabby at dark. Pitch dark. Now, lastly, let's do the Ever-Ready flashlight, which I just saw one at Goodwill for, I think it was $5. And, I don't know. When I got one for a quarter, I couldn't spend $1 on it. Now, this has the old school condensate bulb, so it's not going to be as good on batteries. Take this brick, take the batteries out. Come on, stupid battery, get out of there. You got this one, and then you got this one right here. Ah. Alright. Now, just slide this back in here like so. Twist it up. And, I didn't really show you how much it lights up that one in the bathroom, but whatever. There you go in there, you can see the whole bathroom lit up. And then, if you open this up, and yeah, look, it's a lantern. Pretty awesome. Now let's go out here. Outside, pitch dark, as you can see, you know. See the distance that it gets on there. You can see the tree. You don't really see what I'm aiming at, but it's a tree. Douglas fir tree. There's UHF says, like, you can see a bit more. Actually, you can, yeah. This one's a bit more focused. Can you see the tree I'm pointing at? No? There's a dish. Backside of the house. Smokestack. Window. And you pull up. It becomes a lantern. Now, it is cheap plastic right there. Well, you can't bend it, but it does look pretty cheapy. It's a lantern. And you walk out. It still has a little bit of light on the bottom. And I don't know how much you can see